For today's video, keep your credit card aside because it's one of our tutorials where we only use free tools. By seeing this amounts of views, I'm as surprised as you are right now, but the fact is that these are real views, and this is someone's channel. People say YouTube Shorts pay very low, but with this amount of views, you don't have to worry about CPM and stuff. Despite earning from YouTube AdSense, this channel is also promoting ASMR sponges and earning commission from Amazon. And that's why this tutorial is important, because we will go after the 2 jackpots too. The videos we're going to make will not just be re-uploading other people's videos, but we will add value like this YouTube account. Here are the kinds of videos we will make. These videos you see here all have millions of views, and after clicking on one of them, this is what I saw.
There are only 2 people alive that know the recipe of Coca-Cola, and they are not allowed to travel on the same plane in case it crashes. Random facts. I doubt you can answer the last question. Who likes the smell of gasoline, nail polish, acetone, and washing powder has strong tendencies to use drugs. People who talk to themselves are less likely to develop a mental problem because they are already crazy. The hardest tongue twister in the world is pad kid poured curd pulled cod. The only way to tickle ourselves is by running our tongue along the roof of our mouth. How far does the bald person wash his face? Before passing away, Albert Einstein said a few words in German, and the only person there was a nurse who didn't speak German. People see you as 20% more attractive than you think you are. Will the twins know that one of them was unintentional? Humans share around 60% of their DNA with bananas. The world's oldest piece of gum is 9,000 years old, and it was found in Sweden. Before I reveal the last question, please support me by pressing the plus button for more facts.
Yes, this account is just using other ASMR videos as a background, and then uses AI storytelling to keep the viewers hooked and engaged. So, let's make our own videos now. Step 1 is to make the script for the random facts that we just saw. And for that, we are going to use ChatGPT. So just open a new chat on ChatGPT and then give it the prompt you will find in the description of the video. This is how it goes. Can you provide a list of 10 unique and surprising facts that are both engaging and little known, similar to the fact that only 2 people know the Coca-Cola recipe and they are not allowed to travel together on the same plane? The facts should be diverse, covering a range of topics such as science, history, nature, or everyday life, and should be interesting enough to grab people's attention in social media posts or videos. So just click on Generate, and as usual, ChatGPT gave me 10 amazing facts that we can use to make our videos. So let's go to step 2. The second step is simple, turning our script into an audio or voiceover. For this, we will use a completely free website called ttsfree.com. Just scroll down a bit until you find the speakers section, and then choose the speaker you like by previewing the voices. Next, go to the script box and paste your script. For example, I chose number 5 from the ChatGPT list, copied it, and pasted it here. I also added number 6. Now click on Convert, and our audio is ready. Listen to your audio, and if you're not satisfied, you can regenerate it. But for me, I'm okay with it, so I'll just download it. And now we're done with the voiceover, moving on to the next step. For the next step, we need to gather some videos. To do this, go to TikTok and search for Sandtagus. You'll find a variety of videos to choose from. Not everyone needs to search for this specific name. If you know of better ASMR videos, feel free to use those instead. We're using these videos as a background. Now let's select a video that has a lot of visuals like this one. You'll notice various types of ASMR sand. Once you find a suitable video, click on Copy Link. After that, visit a website called assistic.io and paste the link there. This will allow you to download the video without a watermark. Now, on to the final step where we combine the audio and the video background together. For this, we will use the free version of CapCut. First, open a new project in CapCut and bring in your downloaded video and audio. Start by dragging the audio down into the timeline and then add one of the clips you downloaded from TikTok. To keep the background visuals changing quickly, we need to speed up the clips to match our timeline, since the video is longer than the audio. Split the video into small parts, focusing on different backgrounds for each clip. Use the CapCut speed feature to speed up the clips accordingly. Next, click on Text at the top and then select Auto Captions. CapCut will automatically generate the captions for you. However, the captions may be quite small and numerous. To adjust this, click on Templates and choose a one-word option like this one here. It's free, so just select it and change the color to your liking. And here is our final video.
A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus has an incredibly slow rotation, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, it orbits the Sun in about 225 Earth days, meaning a day on Venus lasts longer than a year. Your stomach lining replaces itself every few days. The human stomach is so acidic that it renews its lining every 3 to 4 days to prevent the acid from digesting itself.